Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In today's video, we will take a look at this big breakout from this ascending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you my previous analysis. That was in fact a complete trade plan that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 17th of Feb when the price line city completed the final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal cipher move on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Before that, we had this bullish harmonic Garley move formation, then price line again after turning bullish from this potential reversal on of the Garley, the price line formed another harmonic cipher pattern, and our targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the cipher were from 2577 and goes to 0.0002724 BTC because this was against the Bitcoin pair with the Bitcoin pair chart. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see after posting this chart the price line rallied well, hit the sell targets here, again moved down inside this buying zone, again moved up, hit the sell target, again moved down, and again rallied. That was a big rally from here, and now it is again moving down. Now if we take a look at the chart with the US dollar pair, by the way, after that it has again rallied. Now we are at the daily live time frame chart. Here we can see that the price line started the formation of this ascending triangle here in December 2021, and recently, just now, it is breaking out the resistance of this descending ascending triangle. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we have the closing above this resistance, and the price line is testing the resistance, and it is possible that we may have a powerful move to the upside from here. However, for if we watch on the daily time frame chart here, we did not have any closing so far. I'm expecting a closing on the 4-hourly time frame chart and another candlestick that will be closed above this highest of this this candlestick, which broke out the resistance of this ascending triangle. That was at $12.63. That will be the final confirmation for the breakout. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakout, then our target after this breakout can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, that will be approximately $17. But I'm expecting a bigger move because after a very long term, it has broken out this key resistance, and that was also a price level resistance of $11.60, and also the resistance of this ascending triangle as well. And on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we have also broken out another channel that was recently formed here. This was the resistance in here. We had the support, the price line stuck in this channel here back on 26th of Feb, and finally we have also broken out this resistance of the channel as well. And this breakout on the small time frame is also another confirmation that we are really breaking out this resistance of ascending triangle on the daily time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.